This video describes the procedure to take proper DNA samples from home. Before starting, don't drink, eat, smoke or chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting samples. Step number 1. Open package from the end. Step number 2. Remove one of the swabs carefully. Ensure the cotton doesn't touch any surface prior to collection. Step number 3. Start by using the first swab in one of your upper cheek inside your mouth. Be sure to brush inside the cheek, swab in between the cheek and gum for 30 seconds. Swab doing rolling motion. Move the swab up and down while also rotating. It's very important to rotate the swab with your fingers to collect a good amount of DNA containing cells. Step number 4. Remove the second swab from the package and take the samples from the other cheek. It is important to change the cheek to obtain 2 different DNA samples. Step number 5. Once the samples are ready, allow the swab to dry before storing. At least 1 hour standing in a glass, taking care that the tips of the swabs do not touch any surface. Step number 6. Insert the swabs into the respective envelope. Repeat the entire process with the second participant and send the samples to our laboratory. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We offer services in English, Spanish, and French.